A very good evening, students. So, here, as you know, all of you know, those who are studying class 12th with me, they know that we have started with our second chapter, right? Chapter number 2, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. We have already started that, and we have finished the first part of this chapter, that is microsporogenesis. If you have not started this portion, or you are still planning or still confused, so I will just say that please don't waste your time and start chapter number 2 with us, so that you can catch the exact topic which we are daily discussing. So here, after some questions about the board examination, as you know that daily I'm putting assignments, right? And I have already uploaded 2 videos from the different type of questions from the microsporogenesis. So today I felt like that if you have not practiced this MCQ, then it is time you can do that thing with me also, because see, this time MCQs, they are even board CBSE, that is going to ask MCQs also, assertion reason also. So we have to practice each and everything, and we should not forget that your NEET, for your NEET, you have to practice lots of multiple choice question. So it's always better that only reading will not also solve the purpose. If you have already read this topic from NCERT, then I think it is time to solve few questions which you can answer me in the comment section. Please don't feel very, I should say that don't hesitate, or either you are so confident that these everything is so easy. Please be confident and give answers, right? The more you will interact, the more I will put more new things for you, right? So here the first question goes, that is again from our, that is the female gametophyte I'm taking, that is the MCQ. I'm not for easy questions, I'm not going to give you options, right? Here they have asked, these are previous years questions, previous years of NEETs questions from the direct NCERT. The egg apparatus, when we draw embryo sac, if you are making notes with me, then you must have drawn that embryo sac, which is also known as the female gametophyte, right? These terminology, or these terms, I should say, that these are very, very important in this chapter. The egg apparatus is made up of 2 dash and 1 dash at the dash end of embryo sac. So what is asked in the question, that there is embryo sac, the structure which you draw of embryo sac, that is made up of 2 dash, 1 dash and the dash at the end of embryo sac. I give you options for this. Why I'm giving you options? Because he has asked few things. So options are antipodals, comma, egg cell, or micropyland, right? And second option is synergids, and then egg cell, and the next is the chalazoland, and the third option is, that is egg cells, synergids, and chalazoland, right? And the last option is synergids, egg cells, and micropyland. So I think if you have revised, or if you have written this thing in your notes, It's easy peasy question, right? It's very easy for you. But if you are not doing anything, so then forget about this question, because then we can't help you out, right? But if you are studying sincerely, then this is very, very easy question from the female gametophyte. Now, the second question, again I am taking from the anther, and I will not give options for this. The cells of which of the layers of the anther wall are multinucleated due to endomitosis? There is only one wall which I specially mentioned in my lectures. There is only one wall whose cells, they are multinucleate. Be very, very specific and answer this question in the comment section, right? If you don't want to interact, that is also okay. If you want to interact, if you want to study hard in this kind of situation, then we are there to help you out. Okay, let's take another question from the anther. A typical angiosperm anther. A typical angio, that again our question is from, I am taking from the anther only. A typical angiosperm anther is dithecus. This question I already discussed during my assignment time also, which means this is the direct line from your NCERT. Direct line. If you have NCERT right now with you, please mark it then, right? Very, very important. It means one lobed and one lobe has two theca. One lobe and one lobe has two theca. Or does it mean two lobed? Two lobed and each lobe has two theca. They are very, very simple, and these are the previous year's NEETs questions. Very easy questions for you. Two lobed and each lobe has one theca. Each lobe has one theca. And the last option they have given, that is the four lobed and each lobe has two theca. Each lobe has two theca, right? So these I think the option is very, very, very easy, right? Let's move to our next question. So next question is number 4, and that I'm taking again from the anther. From anther, I told you that transfer section of anther is very, very important. As you can see, every year they have asked one question from transfer section of anther, as well as from the embryo sac, which is your female gametophyte. So you can't leave it, right? Which of the following layers in the wall of an anther nourishes the developing pollen grain? And I'm not going to give option for this. Right? Because you know the answer. If you are studying with me, then you know the answer. I'm not going to give options for this, right? You know the answer. And if you are really know the answer, then just give this answer in the chat box, comment section, right? The next question is from the pollen grains, and the question is pollen intine. We did it that pollen grains, they have two types of layers, exine and intine. So for this you have to read NCERT. Pollen intine is made up of, many students they do mistake in this because they feel so overconfident that they mark it wrong. Second is cellulose and pectin. Third, they have given the option is ergosterol, which is not at all close to this. Then is the phospholipids and cholesterol, right? So mark your correct answer and let me know that how much you know about the exine you know. So now time to give answer about the intine. Okay, so there is another question about the about the pistil, which is the diagram given in your NCERT. It is the diagram, it is the question from diagram they have asked, and the question is the pistil of papaver is pistil. Many times students know what is pistil. Bacha, stigma, style, ovary, the complete female part, that is also known as pistil, right? And there is a one diagram, figure number 2.6 in the NCERT new books, that is figure number 2.6. So if you look at that figure, you will find the answer. The pistil of papaver is monocarpellary. Is it monocarpellary? You know the answer. I am not going to answer it. Multicarpellary apocarpus, right? I explained these terms in my third lecture, that what is apocarpus and what is syncarpus. Then the same third option they have given is multicarpellary syncarpus, or the last option they are giving is that there is nothing, it is absent, right? So you know the answer is there. Seventh question I am giving, but I have not explained this topic in the class, right? So we can leave this question also, or otherwise if you have already read NCERT, then you can answer this question. Okay, I have not explained this topic in the class right now, but yes, this is in my video already. How many of the nuclei, bacha, this word is very important, how many of the nuclei in the female gametophyte, the question is from the female gametophyte, how many of the nuclei in the female gametophyte in angiosperms are surrounded by cell wall? And actually that is my next lecture, but yes, that is in my video, I have already explained, right? So if you can answer, so I am giving you option 5, 6, 7, or is it 8, right? Okay, so these are the questions, that 7 questions I have given you, quick revision type, that you can quickly revise your topic, that is microsporogenesis. Again I am repeating, bacha, already we have started with class 12th with the full force. So if you still are lacking in your studies, then please jump and start with your class 12th, right? So I will see you tomorrow with the new assignment number 2, right? Till then, all of you take care and keep yourself healthy.